Hi everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can turn off the flashlight on your iPhone 14 series device. So let me just turn it on real quick. So as you can see, the flashlight is now enabled, is switched on. So as you could already guess, in order to get it deactivated, you gotta swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar and into Control Center, just tap on the torch shortcut. And just like so, the flashlight has been successfully disabled. So we can also imagine some occasions where you do not have the shortcut of the torch over here. In order to fix that and add it to the Control Center, just enter the Control Center category of settings. So let's say I do not have my flashlight icon over there, and simply edit from the More Controls field. And now you'll have it over here. Let's say you have activated the flashlight, for example, from the lock screen. So it is now turned on. If you would like to deactivate it from the lock screen as well, just hold onto its icon. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.